Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sasrikal. Welcome back to another session with your VahChef at VahChef.com. Today we are going to learn how to make samosa chaat. For this, we not only use samosas, but we use these peas, what we called as white peas, and also you can buy in the market as a field peas. They usually use these white peas, but you can also use Kabuli chana to make this. And here, once you boil these white peas, before you start, make sure you arrange chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, salt, red chili powder, chaat masala, sweet chutney and green chutney. To make this samosa chaat, use samosas that is made with all-purpose flour. In fact, you can see the video how to make this on my site. And also use extra flour on the edges so these become crispy. To make this chaat, take butter and add this white piece on one side and half of the tomatoes on the other side and little bit chopped onions also. Let these tomatoes get a little bit softer. Add a pinch of salt on it, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and chaat masala. If you want, you can also add a little bit of channa masala to this. If this mixture is getting dry, add a little bit water and check the taste. This is perfect. Now add the samosas. I like to add the samosas at the last because I want the edges of this samosa to be crispy too. One more. And let this potatoes from this samosa mix into this sauce. Now add some green chutney and some sweet chutney. Mix it up and switch off the flame and then transfer it onto a plate. You can make it a little more saucy and you can add a little more of tamarind sauce and green chutney too, and top it off with chopped tomatoes. Add chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves and put some yogurt also. If you want to make this little bit gravyish, you can make it too. I always love my samosas to be crispy, so as soon as you add samosas, you have to eat it really fast. This is perfect. For this kind of thing, I like to add a lot more freshly chopped onions. You can even squeeze a little lime juice. Dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed to learn how to make this samosa chaat with your VahChef. You can also make this with the aloo tikki, which I am going to show you some other day. But remember, whatever is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at VahChef.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Thank you.